Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to click, and you like what you see, click the subscribe button, the thumbs up, and ring the bell, if you know what I mean. Um, yeah, it keeps me going and it helps the channel, and I appreciate it. And I think what we're going to see now is, oh, it's funny. Troy was working on the front of a 1010E, and anyways, you'll see. He had fixed one bracket that the brush guard worked on. I helped him put it back on, and the other side was loose, and it's kind of funny. It was a struggle, but we got her. Anyways, like I said, click the thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe, share it to all your friends, Facebook, whatever you got to do, and I appreciate it. We're gaining some steam here. I'm up to 4,000 viewers or subscribers, so I appreciate all you guys watching. Take care. You want me to pump the lever for you? So he's putting his strap on.
I'm giving her all she's got, Scotty. Captain, I mean. Captain Kirk. You guys know Star Trek? Church bells ringing. Troy's just singing. Where are you going with that? Hey, if I call you a hunky, will it be racist? Cracker? How about cracker? We were thinking that you were a troublemaker. You and Cracker McGillicuddy. So what'd you have to do here? Did you get it all apart and then back together? Oh, you got them on. Did you end up with the same size bolts? You got them drilled out and used the same size bolts?
Yeah, nuts on the back.
Oh, that's a good idea. How'd you get in there to put the nuts on? Right through here, huh? That's why you had the cooler out? You the man. You the man, Troy. You're all the way to the front of the shop. I'll quit watching you. Yeah, I lied. If we got Kyle over here, we could probably put that on and the guy could, old guy could put the bolt in it. Never mind. He's being resourceful. This one's loose, Troy. You better tighten it up first.
What?
The whole bracket is loose. Pull it off. You're gonna have to do that over. Hey, you got too excited, didn't you?
Since when was that one loose?
Go, you gotta go down on that end a little bit, I think. Nope. There she comes. It's hooked on the blade. There we go. Told you. They're loose. See what happens? The other bracket's loose. Bolts are probably stretched. From whatever hit that and took that one off, probably. We're gonna watch him. He's gonna snap it right off. We're gonna watch him snap it. You didn't want to see that. That means you gotta start all over with this one.
One more.
Two more.
Snap it.
This is the mechanic's dream.
Snap it. That one I think.
Oh yeah.
Not bad.
The middle one, you need a
Should've just tightened it, Trip.
screwdriver.
Hey, Bob.
Screwdriver? He's gotta get a screwdriver. If I wouldn't have helped, it'd have stayed tight. You wouldn't have noticed it, and it would have been over. I'm good for something then, once in a while. Right? Maybe. Coming over here and saying, huh, look at that, fix that. Did you drill them already? No, sir. Huh. Piss poor. Yeah, Mike happened. He come over here to help and he noticed this thing was loose and then Troy broke all the bolts off. The other bracket was loose.
Why did you say?
Because we,
Nothing's wrong.
because here at Berg Service and Repair, we take care of the customer. Right? Where's that kit? I want to see that kit
It'll be here on UPS, so probably Friday.
for the
The order
pillar.
for the tank.
Oh no, the kit for the.
You could break it out.
Troy told me there was a kit, the big bearing and stuff.
Oh, there was some kit. I individually ordered it in
Oh,
kitchens in Stockholm, Sweden, and
oh,
Finland, wherever Stockholm is.
that's in. Depends on what country you're in. You've got all the brackets too. Right on.
Seal. Burns.
Okay, I'll go with that. It's good enough. See you, bye. You going the wrong way? Or the right way? What? You snapped the tap too? One out of what kit?
That green one?
I bet you he's pissed. We're gonna get a little drama going in here.
Sneak that fucking catches, you're gonna get a hammer on this side of it.
Yeah, we'll see. So let's see, that broke at, he broke them bolts at about 1 o'clock and it's almost quitting time.
I broke a tap and a drill bit off inside.
What? And then the phone's got to
One
ring.
of these old fuckers in that green box.
Oh, one of them old ones.
We
So now
don't-
you got to get that out?
I got it out. Now it's hardened. I can't drill it.
Nice. Patience and a positive attitude and you will prevail. Damn, don't you hate it when days go like that?